with your looks and as a Ghanaian actor. I know it be no a Ghana for support too. When you've not supported the country in any way, you going for Kofi Kinata and even the choice of visuals you put in the song, a project. That's what I'm asking about Takrade. Yes, a project, an aspect of our culture which it was missing until just about last 3 years.
At chi. Right.
Humana, I'm a bro free. Baby free. So in the American on say Senkagana for Almotunumina. Yes, it's now once in a while. Party has nothing to do with the pictures you projected. How pictures how you see, you know. But all the year and so far. Ontari shemni bibia. Yes, you say shemukrawara. Eberim krabia now Brazil and ye Ghana made. Inti mebo about to keep it up and like you are saying, you don't need the sideline now. Anytime you drop a bit far, you see the energy behind it, and I'm happy to see senior man solidly behind you. Senior man on the on-kind
for a very long time.
All
right, so Adina, me sure say you know streaming platforms.
Question back answer mama nako. Osi we just a track on o album no. Album no nyum sen na beba so. Ena nyum na beba so no. Sese ye be senya Lovers Rock bi wom ana ye benya hip hop ana ye benya high life ana say ye benya mo afrobeat no ne nyum wom and now problem of the party there.
I said we have to hankwa nebia mema a little bit more information. Okay, because me try reggae na fine. Me ankasa reggae ade managing but me reggae artist. Inti I feel said there be a many opportunity album. I'll try more things. Okay. It's definitely there's reggae, but the twist to it this time around is it has a feature with a reggae artist. Oriasimu.
Ofrigana ha.
Oriasimu.
Ofrigana ha.
In this world.
No, Ghana.
Na Ghana nyeriasi.
Ghana.
And we also have
reggae artist bang.
Reggae artist. No.
Charlie, I had to say send you we should be expecting somebody like
Stonebwoy.
Say a Ghana ha. Stonebwoy ni na ye nyom dada. Inti no de say Ghana ha. No. I'll stick my neck out for Jalid because on no was a man vibe no. And no koda say Ghana. Enya Ghana ha. Enya Ghana ha dia. We should be looking at maybe Movado.
Okay. So we
Movado.
All right, so now you be say about album no which songs, which type of songs? What kind of reggae? So is there high life tune on it?
Yes, there's definitely high life. There's Afro vibes.
Okay.
Title near Afro Glow. So it's to just project and celebrate our Africanness and being from Ghana. And the daily video now starting. Okay. So that's what we're doing. We're projecting and celebrating.
Next year.
Yes, early next year. First quarter. Yeah.
The first quarter
January, February, March.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Here platforms streaming.
Yeah, sure.
Baby, party Adina featuring Kofi Kinata.
And as I say, video no so about out. Okay. They na about any can so person who had the cry. Mr. Munko YouTube. Easy.
Tony, say as at this time so my Kofi Kinata and fan nyumbia my.
Yeah.
And I yeke kone on one birthday so.
Yeah.
Bro nyano Takrade.
Yeah.
And Adina ne Kofi Kinata ayanyumba kwaba. So what are you thinking?
What else?
On say bronya no be
na just say.
Aha. All right.
So Adina you better say. Say to me pass it through na say you can you say what has you best support your works and yet the first time I hear BBC. Oh as always you be boa. Na and you say to me do level episode do. Now you hope say next year Ghana Music Awards. I'm sure this song will get somewhere. Between your BB.
Amen.
Yeah, between your BB. Was it to me your BB? All right, so thanks for coming through.
Thanks for having me. Thank you guys so much for the support always. Sha.